Hey guys, Mike here. Well, here's the drill. We got back from our trip. We drove the Chevelle, sitting outside, all the way across Canada from here to Toronto. We drove it to Detroit. We drove it to Vegas. We came up through Portland, Oregon, Seattle, back to Vancouver. Went to a car show there after 3 days in Vegas and muscle cars on the Strip. Then we went back to Oroville, picked up the trailer and the trail duster we bought. Now we're back, and basically this gong show is what we left almost 30 days ago to the day. So we've had 4 or 5 days to rest up. Blair's at home visiting his family, catching up on some stuff at home, and I have 4 days until he's back. So basically the plan today is we're going to try and get this clean. Believe it or not, this is our paint booth. How you asked, do we paint in here? That is a very, very good question. We do a lot of cleaning. So that today, get that cleaned up, get all the tools put away. This is all the stuff left from the assembly of the Chevelle, all the wiring harness before we drove. The only clean spot on the floor is where the Chevelle got final reassembly here before we left. We lost the brakes on it 2 days ago driving down to the co-op for coffee. So it's sitting here, it's off the road until we get it onto the hoist here so we can do some mechanical upgrades and check it out. It's had a long trip. It's been rode hard and put away wet. We're trying to get this one back in the booth. If you've been following the episodes, you know that this is the 68 Big Block Sports Satellite rag that we're now cloning as a Road Runner, painting it 69 Cuda orange. We've got all the inners done. We've got the trunk, everything done. If we get it back in the booth, it should be in there for a week. We're getting the lovely and talented Miss Cassidy back to give us a hand here. She needs a little extra work. She's got a full-time job, but she's agreed to come help us out, get caught up since we've been on the road for a month, and we got to get this one back on the production line. You guys been following, you know, this is the one we bought, then we had it impounded, then we got it back. We're just doing a Big Block SS clone rags treatment on it. It is one of 350 70 Chevelle rags that were imported into Canada, V8. So it is a pretty solid car. Well, it will be. We've got another quarter to go on that side. Got a little bit of floor patching to do. We've got a 500 and somewhere, I think there is a 520 horse, 516 horse on the dyno. 454, we're going to drop in it. We got a 700 R4, or we do have an M22. I'm still mulling my options, but anyway, that's the plan. So we'd like to get this shop so we can work in it. So anyway, now you're up to date. My yard's a complete and total disaster. We had a bunch of rock fall come down off the hill while we were gone. And of course, one made it to the cars. Of course, it couldn't pick any other one, but if you look closely, you'll see a boulder sticking up between the 70 purple Super Bee and the white Firefly. Well, it's done some damage. I'm hoping it's only a rear quarter panel, but that'll be in another episode. So today the plan is get out my broom, get out my garbage cans, and we're going to start in one corner and try and work our way to the Road Runner / Satellite so we can get it back in here so when Cassidy and Blair show up, it's ready, willing, and able to get worked on. Okay, thanks guys. Yeah, I'm going to do some time lapse, and thanks for tuning in. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. And again, thanks for watching. We've just passed, we're almost at 80,000 subscribers, 4.5 million views. And again, I'd really like to thank everyone that enjoys watching the videos, enjoys watching Blair perform his mastery, and me and Avery do our usual dumb antics. Anyway, there's more to come. Stay tuned. And again, thanks for watching. Hopefully by the end of the day, this will look somewhat more organized because I've got a turkey dinner appointment later on. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. guys. Just had my friend Tony come over, give us a hand. We've taken the Roadrunner / satellite convertible from over there. We cleaned out the booth yesterday. And there we have it, sitting all ready for Blair and Cassidy when they get back. My work here is done. Now I'm going to go relax somewhere. Thanks again, Tony. Hey, appreciate it, buddy.
Never a problem, man.
Okay.
Anytime.
Hey, thank you too, honey, for not letting us run you over. And Lincoln's out there sleeping in the sun. Of course he is. Okay, right on anyway, guys. We're back. We're going to get work started. Blair's back in 3 days. His chariot awaits. So anyway, stay tuned. Remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy. And stay tuned. We're going to get that one done. Now I just got to clean up the rest of the mess around the Chevelle. We can get it back here so we can work on it as well. Do some metal work outside while they're getting that prepped. And things are starting to move here. Hopefully next week we'll be doing the excursion over the Coke with the Firefly. We got to go to the Lordco Trade Show. So any guys down the coast, we'll see you guys at the trade show. Take care. Ciao.